are. Bless me. 4.5 kilometers. My battery level is at 93%. Assist mode 3. Oh, I sneezed, but I didn't have to do anything. 17 minutes. Just more layers to lose. Uh-oh, I have to sneeze. Oh god! I like these full-on conversations with a lot of you guys, and you guys are so sweet and amazing and adorable. So if you're not following me on Snapchat, you totally should, because I asked you guys for a lot of opinions. Single meal this whole week. Yikes. Hopefully I fit in my bridesmaid dress. I have to sneeze. Oh gosh.